Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you're listening to this video. Thank you for tuning in one more time. I really want to give a special thanks to all new subscribers into this channel. I really appreciate your time and clicking that button to subscribe to listen to the analysis for Forex markets. I am using multiple time frame system, greatest system in the world to find trades and to be consistent on your trades, and it's super easy to use. Also, this week and well, for the last past 2 weeks, we've been having the start of a new system. Well, it's based on multiple time frame system. It's for scalping. For a lot of people like to do scalping. So I'm gonna have the link underneath the video, for if you'd like to see the scalping method, that it's making a difference for a lot of people, or if you like also to obtain the multiple time frame system, which is a system that you're looking at right now. And obviously this is a indicator that I use personally. This is a free indicator, you can find it online, but the multiple time frame system, you will find it under the link. It's a one-time payment for life. You don't have to be paying monthly payments for this. I know there's a lot of companies out there, they're charging a lot of people monthly fees. There's no need for that. I really recommend this, and if you get it, let me know so I can get a one-to-one for 15-20 minutes. It's very easy to use, and I will tell you how to use it exactly. Okay, let's start the analysis for this week. I know we just had elections this last week, and apparently we have a new president. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna get into politics because that's not my thing. Okay, so but I think we're a blessed country, and we're gonna be okay. Okay, let's go with GBP odd. Let's start with that one this week. Okay, the master trend, it's going up during this week, and pretty much, I'm pretty sure it's going to be for a while. And what we're expecting, obviously, to continue, we got a magic arrow right here, which is the purple arrow. When we get this purple arrow, and the pretty much the system is telling us, be prepared, because we're gonna have a buy pretty soon. So there's different ways you can take that trade. If you already have a system how to take trades, you can just follow your system, but add this, which is gonna tell the direction very accurately every time. Normally what I do is, once I get purple arrow, I just put myself with the last two highs right here, put myself like a trend line like that, and I'm gonna wait until the market closes above my trend line, and with one of the candles, and I will take my trade right there. Obviously I will take my trade about there, and for example, that just that little short trade right there was 61. I caught this trade on GPR because this is one of my favorite pairs. I caught about 50 pairs, and I got out before the end of the week last week. And normally you take that, you put your stop loss below the last high, which is the last low, right there, and you're going to continue to trade. Some people they trade from magic arrow to magic arrow. You got to have a lot of discipline for that, because sometimes you're winning, you're making money, and then you see this, then you get out. Obviously there's different strategies that you can use, as you know, but it's very simple to use. It's a great tool. So this was expecting we're still gonna go up, and then we're gonna until we see a red arrow anywhere in this area, and that's gonna do a pullback. Okay, but we're expecting the market, so that's why I put this line right here. It's gonna go up, then a pullback, and then we're expecting the market to keep going higher. Okay, so that's what we're expecting for GBP odd, and we'll see how the market. All right, so that was GBP odd, GBP JPY. Let me have it right there. Okay, while we're expecting master trend, it's about the same way as GBP odd. We're going in an uptrend, At this time though, we're having magic arrow in a pullback. Obviously all this move right here is going to be 1, 2, 3 moves, maybe around there is going to be a pullback. So we're expecting the markets to, maybe it's going to break that high and then after that come down, maybe around that area. We'll see how the markets behave, and after that we will be inspecting a purple, a magic arrow anywhere in this area to keep going higher. Okay, after that, so there's, I mean, it is possible to trade all all these moves right here. I mean, there's gonna be a move up right here, then a move down, then we're gonna go up. I mean, how can I tell this moves without seeing the market and be 80 to 90% accurate? Is because of the system, the multiple time frame system. Once you learn, you're used to how to read it, and I mean, it's gonna give you a clear direction of the markets, and you're very close all the time. You'll be 80%, 90% very accurate of the moves, and then you can take advantage of that. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for. GPJPY. Before we continue, I don't want to forget, I want to show you that we still have running this special for the multiple time frame system. Use the code for $20 off on an already cheap system. And when I say cheap, it's not because it's not a good system. I'm saying it's because it's a real good price. Tim with Irvin and the company is trying to help a lot of people with this, because, you know, pretty much we've been there when we're making no money, when it's hard, you know, to stay alive in Forex. So we want to help. JF20, use that code. And then also, if you message directly to Tim with Irvin, he will give you an additional $39 off. Okay, so that link for the multiple time frame system, which is this system right here, it's going to be under the video. And also there's going to be another link for the scalping system, which is the price on that one, it's significantly lower than multiple time frame, but it's strictly for scalping. That means you're not going to have this arrows, you have a different system. Okay, and pretty soon we're going to be showing and talking about it. But if you get the scalping system, please let me know, because I want to get together with you so I can teach you how to use it, and so you can start creating pips. Okay, let's move forward. GPJPY, Euro USD. What are we waiting on? Euro USD. We saw the market there was pulling up last week, but we're expecting the market to drop anytime, okay, during this week. So what I am thinking, the way I see the market is, this is going to do a pullback for this move right here. Okay, so it will be I don't know, maybe it'll count to the MA around there, and I'm expecting to come down during the few next days, and then the market, it's gonna start do another high at about this point. So that's what we expected in the market. Okay, so but if you see that the market starts coming down, you can go to a lower time frame, like maybe 30 minutes. I'm just giving you ideas how to enter the market, you know, so you can get a few pips. Even if you don't have the system, you can enter that way. Like, for example, obviously trend lines are, I like trend lines a lot. They work real good. Okay, so if you put yourself a trend line like that, we already see that in the last week it already started breaking that trend line. What I will do, I would just wait until the market comes down and then do a retest and to go into a trade. A lot of people, the moment they see a trend break like that, they go into the market, they go for a few pips, and then they get out real quick. But I'm pretty sure if you have a system or a strategy, you can do that too. But you know, the multiple time frame system is going to give you a clear direction all the time. That's for Euro USD. We're waiting for that then. Okay, that was on the 4 hour. Yes. Okay. Adding to that, the multiple time frame system, it always going to give you also this alerts. A lot of people like to have alerts, you know, and that's the system is going to give you that. Every time you get a magic arrow, 4 hour arrow, you got to get an alert. Either on the 4 hour daily, you can program that. What alerts do you want, pretty much. Out NZD master trend, it's coming down, so I really like this trade. Really looking forward to it. Okay, the market, it's already started coming down from there, but if I go to 30 minutes, let me go a little bit higher right here, and the market is already breaking that. I'm almost sure that the market is still gonna go a little bit higher than where it is right now at this point. Maybe it's gonna push a little bit more, and if not, you know, the market can just go straight from there. If we break this low right here, or if you break another low, I mean, and this arrow over here, now we're looking at candlesticks, right? Price action, that's gonna start going from there. But the market's definitely this week it's gonna start, you know, moving down. Okay, that's for AUD NCD. USD CHF. USD CHF last week extended it all the way down to a monthly support, so we're in a very strong support. It actually broke that support, but this is the area. Okay, we're not looking for lines here, but areas. So the market still have very strong momentum down. Let's look at the daily. That's the way it looks. Let's look at the weekly. You can see that it's been very low. Okay, so the market, so we're waiting pretty much for this week to the market to do a pullback to the top, and then maybe in the near future the market is going to continue down, but it's due for a pullback. So if you want to wait for that, I will wait in the 4 hour if you want. Again, use trend lines, those are very good guides, and always pick like high points of the trend, maybe like that and something like that, or you can even go to 1 hour or 30 minutes just to see that trend line a little bit clear. What I would do, I will put myself like a nice area over here also. I don't know if you can see this tip right there, and then the lowest port right there. That's in this here. It's a range obviously, but if I see the market breaking this high right there, I will definitely go into the market for that pullback. Now I'm looking at this now at the 30 minutes, but the 1 hour looks like that. Okay, so I'm just giving you different options how to enter the market. So that's USD CHF, and the last one we're going to check today is NCD CHF. And what we are waiting for the market, we are in a clear pullback. This move, it's all going to be a pullback, but recommend our group then not to do pullbacks. Look for, always go with the trend. But the market is going to do this, market's going to do that, and then down until we see a magic arrow in this area over here. That's when we're going to look for entrance to go up with the master trend. Okay, friends, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's look what the dollar peso is expecting to do also. So where are we with the dollar peso? Let me look at the daily, and our master trend continues down so far. So we have down here, we have a magic arrow, and I like this opportunity, so I'm gonna expect the market to go higher very soon, to start moving up. So I'm just gonna put a direction where we're expecting the market to go pretty soon, in an up direction. So that's what we're waiting, pretty much. Okay, so thank you, friends, for subscribing. Please comment below. I'm gonna have the 2 links added to this video today, and get the system. You need it, you need to get it, jump on it. We are gonna, especially for this scalping system, I mean, we're going into the holidays very soon, and normally the market volatility it drops. A lot of people go on vacation, so that's a good time to do scalping. So you can go for 10 pips here and there, 15 pips, and you need a system to do that. Pretty soon we're going to do a video that is going to be called how to make $100 a day with the scalping system. Very easy. Not only 100, I mean, a lot of people are doing more than that. Let me see if I can show you guys some of the let me see. A lot of people are doing very good pips. Well, for next video, I'm going to show a few of the, I don't have them ready right now. And I don't want to show, you know, some people's information that it would be critical. But a lot of people are making very good money, very good pips. I really recommend it for you to jump on it as soon as you can. Well, thank you very much. God bless you all, and see you guys on Wednesday again, so we can analyze the pairs that we were looking, and we're going to keep a close eye on those pairs for this week. Bye bye. God bless you all.